Hey, what's up SLP coin holder my brother? Today in this video I will tell you my brothers to what's our target and 2022 of SLP coin my brother. The price prediction 2022 forecast and year 2022 my brother. Let's see my brother to what's going on and what's we need to do my friend and what's the price prediction for 2022. This time my brother, please before I get started video, please subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon for videos notification because every channel will guide you, update you every day every time. The current price is 0.28 USD dollar my brother, and absolutely in January 2022 they will give you 0.5 USD dollar. It's mean my brother, so they will give you half USD dollar, and February you can see my brother 0.447 USD dollar, and March 0.5 USD dollar. So that's mean my brother, so in February they will face down, but in March they will again give you a profit. In April 2022, as you can see my brother, 0.45 USD dollar, but in May my friend 0.54 USD dollar. As you can see my brother, they will increasing now, hour by hour, minute by minute. So this time as you can see here in January 2022 0.52 USD dollar, and July you can see my brother 0.52 USD dollar. Absolutely my friend, you can see here the price sometimes fails down, sometimes moving upward, but in the last point as you can see here they will again come to 0.4 USD dollar. So that's mean they will just in only at the end of in the start of month my friends, in the start of year they will give you 0.5 USD dollar, but at the end they will give you 0.4 USD dollar. Absolute my friends, we will predicate my friends, especially a lot of experts my friends said about this. So therefore after my friend very hard research we will found this result. What will be the lowest price of small SLP and future my brother? Lowest price as you can see here 0.37 USD dollar, and what will be the highest price as you can see here up to 1.41 USD dollar. Oh my goodness, there is a chance so they will hit 1 USD dollar. It's a very huge profit my brother, and absolutely they will make you millionaire now my brother. Kindly if you want to invest for a long time, so please it's a good chance my brother. I will make special video for highest and lowest point for in the future, but kindly if you are new my channel, subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon for videos notification.